Get ready to dive into the world of EtherCAT, a game-changer in industrial automation. The future of manufacturing is here, and it's fast, efficient, and interconnected. In a world where time is money, the EtherCAT market is a shining example of how technology can revolutionize industries. With a projected value of USD 6,460.3 million by 2034, this market is on a rapid growth trajectory, expanding at a CAGR of 10.2% from 2025 to 2034. North America currently leads the pack, capturing a significant 35.6% share of this booming market. But here's where it gets controversial. The EtherCAT market isn't just about numbers. It's about transforming the way industries operate. EtherCAT, short for Ethernet for Control Automation Technology, is an Ethernet-based field bus system that's a game-changer for real-time industrial automation. With its high-speed communication, low latency, and efficient data handling, EtherCAT is the hero that industries in factory automation, robotics, semiconductors, and automotive manufacturing have been waiting for. According to the EtherCAT Technology Group, there are over 88 million EtherCAT nodes in use worldwide, with an impressive 11 million added in 2024 alone, despite economic challenges and chip overstock. That's a testament to the technology's resilience and its growing role in industrial communication. The market isn't just about hardware like controllers, I/O modules, and gateways. It's also about the supporting software and integration services that make this technology a powerhouse. The driving force behind this market is the increasing need for fast and reliable communication in industrial automation. Manufacturers are turning to EtherCAT to meet the demanding performance requirements of robotics, motion control, and real-time monitoring. And this is the part most people miss. The shift towards smart factories and Industry 4.0 is a key accelerator for EtherCAT adoption. Its seamless integration with existing Ethernet infrastructure and scalability for large networks make it a top choice. The growth of robotics in the automotive and electronics industries is a major contributor to the demand for EtherCAT. Let's break it down further by component. Hardware dominates with a 51.5% share, including interface cards, gateways, and modules that enable lightning-fast data communication. Master controllers lead the way with a 38.1% share by device type, acting as the central command units for precise synchronization and control. The automotive and transportation sector is the leading adopter of EtherCAT technology, with its real-time efficiency and high data volume handling capabilities. North America takes the lead regionally with a 35.6% share, reflecting strong adoption in industrial automation and automotive applications. So why is EtherCAT so popular? Analysts believe that the demand for EtherCAT solutions is sky-high in manufacturing sectors that require precision and speed. Automotive production lines, semiconductor industries, and even packaging and food processing rely on EtherCAT for coordinated robotics, clean room automation, and synchronized motion control. Even renewable energy projects like wind turbines and solar systems are getting in on the action, adopting EtherCAT for condition monitoring and grid integration. Smaller enterprises are also catching on, exploring EtherCAT for cost-effective automation upgrades. Investment opportunities in the EtherCAT market are expanding as governments promote Industry 4.0 and digital transformation with grants and incentives. The projected growth of the manufacturing sector at an annual rate above 4% globally is a major driver for demand. The Asia-Pacific region and North America are hotbeds for investments due to their robust industrial bases and progressive automation infrastructure. The benefits of adopting EtherCAT are clear: increased productivity, reduced costs, and enhanced precision in industrial applications. By enabling real-time synchronization and high-speed communication, EtherCAT reduces cycle times, improves machine accuracy, and minimizes waste. Its compatibility with multiple network topologies enhances scalability, allowing businesses to expand without major overhauls. And the role of generative AI in all this? Generative AI is a game changer for EtherCAT-based automation systems. It optimizes real-time motion control and robotic operations by improving decision-making processes on the fly. The recent deployment of dual EtherCAT master AI robot controllers, powered by advanced AI chips, showcases how generative AI supports fast synchronization and precision control in industrial robots. This integration is raising the bar for reliability and performance, especially in complex manufacturing and factory automation environments. The presence of generative AI models in EtherCAT systems is enabling smarter diagnostics, predictive maintenance, and autonomous operation, leading to higher operational efficiency. By 2025, the adoption of AI within EtherCAT-controlled systems is accelerating, moving from experimental phases to production-scale use with improved scalability and responsiveness. So, what's next for the EtherCAT market? The future looks bright with emerging trends like the expansion of industrial communication, supported by 5G technology, helping EtherCAT networks overcome traditional latency and wiring constraints. The market is also witnessing increased integration of EtherCAT with IoT technologies and digital transformation initiatives in manufacturing, pushing for smarter factories. EtherCAT is moving towards higher bandwidth solutions, supporting the demand for faster and more complex data exchange. With over 88 million EtherCAT nodes recorded in 2024, the market shows robust adoption despite economic challenges. But here's the real question. Is the EtherCAT market a game changer for your industry? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear your insights and opinions on this exciting technology.